Some nights your phone lights up and you forget how to be a person.
Tonight I got a message from Ethan. And I panicked. My phone lit up. I look it down. It was Ethan.
Hey, I had a really good time today. I like talking to you.
I read it once. Then I read it again. Slowly. Then one more time. Just to be sure I read it right.
He said he likes talking to me. He actually said that. I put the phone down. Then I picked it right back up.
I opened the text box. I stared at it. Nothing came. I typed the letter H. Then I deleted the letter H. That's where I was. One letter. Gone. Starting over again. Okay. I needed a plan. Or maybe just some help.
Why is your light still on? It's almost 10 o'clock.
Noah. Go away. I'm busy doing something very important.
You're sitting on the floor holding your phone. That's not busy.
I'm thinking about it. There's a difference. Please leave now.
Thinking about what? Did someone text you something bad?
Someone texted me something nice. That's the whole problem.
That's the problem? Someone was nice to you? Okay then.
You don't understand. The timing matters. Everything matters right now.
Just say what you feel. That's seriously all you do.
So I did what any reasonable person does. I sat on the floor. The floor is very helpful. I don't know why. Maya, are you awake? I really need to talk right now.
Ethan texted me and I don't know what to say.
Okay, wait. What exactly did he say? Tell me everything.
He said he had a good time and he likes talking to me.
Ronnie. That is very good. Do not reply yet. Wait.
Wait? Why do I have to wait? That feels so wrong.
Because if you reply now, you look like you were waiting.
I was waiting. I have been waiting for 20 whole minutes. Maya, I was waiting for the right time. That's different, though.
It is not different. You need to wait 2 more hours.
2 hours? Maya, what if he thinks something is wrong?
He will think you are busy. Busy is very attractive, Ronnie.
What if I'm not busy? What if I'm just sitting here?
Then pretend. That is literally what everyone does. Trust me.
Pretending. Okay, I can do that. 2 hours. Got it.
2 hours. Do not touch that phone. I mean it.
Maya said 2 hours. I said okay. It had been 4. I was not okay. So I went back to the floor.
Ronnie? It's late. Why are you standing in my kitchen?
I needed water. Also, maybe some advice. Mostly the advice.
Sit down. I'll make tea. Tell me what's going on.
There's this guy. He texted me something really nice tonight.
That sounds good. So what is the problem exactly, Ronnie?
I don't know how to reply. I want to seem cool. Cool. Okay. What does cool mean to you right now? Like, not too available. Not too eager. Kind of mysterious. Like I have a life and I'm not sitting here waiting.
Is that a bad thing to want? Does that make sense?
It makes sense. But can I ask you one thing? What do you actually want him to know about you? I want him to know that I liked his message too. So why not just tell him that? That sounds like you. Because what if being me isn't enough? What if he leaves?
Are you still doing this? Just send it. Good night, Ronnie.
Noah, wait. What if he doesn't reply? What do I do?
Then he doesn't reply. And you'll be fine. You always are.
Honestly, I've been performing this whole time. For nobody. Okay. I'm gonna type something now. Here we go.
Hey! No. Too excited. Delete. Start again from the top.
Hey, I had a good time too. No, too simple.
I really enjoyed today, and I think you are really great.
No. That sounds like a thank you card. Delete it all. What if I send a voice message? No, absolutely not. What if I just send one word? Something cool and short. Like what? Hey? No. Same? No. Nice? No. Nothing works. Okay, new plan. I will write exactly how I really feel.
I really liked your message, and I wanted to say something.
No. Too honest. He'll think I've been sitting here waiting. I have been sitting here waiting. But he cannot know that. What is wrong with me? This is one text message. I am a normal person. I can reply to normal texts. Okay. Deep breath. I'm calling Maya. She will know what to do.
Maya. I still haven't sent it. I deleted everything again.
Ronnie. It has been hours. What are you deleting exactly? Maya, I deleted it again. I don't even know who I'm performing for. Wait, say that again. You said performing. That's interesting, Ronnie. I keep writing what sounds good, not what I actually feel. Okay. I hear you. Maybe I gave you the wrong advice. What do I do now, Maya? I just want to be real. Then be real. Write what you actually feel. Just do it. Okay. No more deleting. I'm gonna write the real thing. No strategy. No timing. Just what I actually want to say. I'm just gonna be honest with you. Here it goes. I really liked your message. I smiled when I read it.
I was waiting because I was nervous. That's the honest truth. I like talking to you too. I really mean that, Ethan.
I'm gonna send this now before I change my mind. Okay, it's sent. I sent it. Oh no, it is sent. I can't look. I'm looking. I can't stop looking at it.
What if he doesn't reply? What if I was too honest? What if honest is actually too much? What if cool was safer?
Wait, he's typing. I can see the dots. He is typing. It's been 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Why is this so hard?
She actually told me she was nervous. That's really kind of sweet. Okay. I'm gonna reply right now. No waiting. Just real. Hey. Thank you for being honest. That means a lot to me. I like you too. And I'm glad you told me the truth. Next time, don't wait. I really like talking to the real you.
He replied. He actually replied. And he said he likes me. He said don't wait. He wants the real me. Just me.
I sat on the floor again. Same floor. Very different feeling. I read it one more time. Then I put the phone down. Not because I was done. Because I didn't need to perform anymore. I just sat there. And for once, that felt really okay.
Noah was right the whole time. I really hate that, honestly.
Tonight, I learned that honesty is faster than any strategy.
Try this. I really liked your message. Simple. Real.
The right person responds to who you are, not your timing.
Tell me, what do you do when you get a message like this? Tomorrow, a new story. Real English. Real life. Real feelings.